Welcome to part 3 of making discontinued Mountain Dew flavors at home. We got to do a holiday episode. We are making Ginger Snapp'd Mountain Dew today. I go all out. In my Fallout video, you might have seen, I made cookies and the cookies are ready. So what we're gonna do now is grab 2 of my freshly made cookies. I mean, they're soft there. They're good, wow. And we're gonna cram those into a jar, toss them in there. Now we're gonna cover our cookies in plenty of sugar. You probably want to do about half a cup. The cookies themselves have plenty of sugar, but with syrups, you always just want to, make it as you go and see what you like, do what you like. Now we're gonna add in about half a cup to a cup of water, and I'm just gonna shake the shit out of this. So look at, these cookies were fresh and delicious, that they have completely dissolved, making it so my job is extremely easy. Man, does that smell good and sugary. Let's strain out our gingerbread syrup. All right, guys, now that we have our gingerbread syrup, it's time to start making this Mountain Dew. Now, Ginger Snapp'd started as a brown soda and they changed it to white, similar to Whiteout, similar to the Freedom Fusion, similar to a lot of other Mountain Dews. So we are going to start by adding a full ounce and see what we can get done with this. Next ingredient is gonna be a little bit of fresh lemon juice. We're gonna go for an ounce because this is gonna be on the sweeter side with that gingerbread syrup that I freshly made. And we're adding this to 20 ounces of Mountain Dew. So even if we go over a little bit, that would be fine. Let's next add in our 20 ounces of Mountain Dew. 20 ounces of Mountain Dew is a lot. I feel like this bottle is extremely misleading because if I drank this bottle, I'd be like, okay, I drank a Mountain Dew. If I drank this, I feel like this is unsafe. Like, who's drinking that much Mountain Dew? How do they disguise 20 ounces like that? That's crazy. Here's where I'm cheating a little bit, guys. I'm going to add white food coloring. I mean, that's obviously what Mountain Dew added. And let's give this a stir and see if we can't get some Ginger Snapp'd Mountain Dew here. It's close. It's actually more green than it is brown, so putting another little squirt here. Food dye has actually become really common. I used to have to buy it off Amazon, but not so much anymore. All right, I'm happy with the color. Now it's time to pour ourselves nice glass of Ginger Snap. Let's pour. Okay, so I got the almost white color. I feel like I would have had to add a lot of food dye to this. Okay, we're not done yet. Let's add another, I hate to do an ounce, because it's gonna ruin the color, but I'm not getting a lot of gingerbread in here. Actually didn't ruin the color at all. That's it. Here we go, guys. This is the official count of Ginger Snapp'd Mountain Dew at home. You're gonna take 10 ounces of Mountain Dew, put that to 2.5 ounces of your homemade gingerbread syrup, and you're gonna do an ounce of lemon juice. It just helps balance the whole thing. It tastes better than the original. Mountain Dew always makes a huge mistake, and they make special release sodas and they don't make them sugar-free. The difference here, I made it with Mountain Dew Zero Sugar. That is saving me here. I mean, it tastes so much better. I don't feel like I'm drinking, 100% of my daily sugar every time I take a sip. I have not made Ginger Snapp'd Mountain Dew. I have created the best possible version of Ginger Snapp'd Mountain Dew. And honestly, color-wise, it looks great. All in all, this is a great rendition. This is better than the real thing. And cheers, guys. This is gonna be what you're drinking all holiday season because Mountain Dew left us hanging again. No holiday flavor this year, man. If you wanna see me keep making more discontinued flavors of Mountain Dew, let me know in the comments and let me know what flavor you wanna see next because this is fun. I love doing it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for liking. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to share with somebody, especially a Mountain Dew lover.